So find a small quarter pipe with a railing on the sides. The skater can use the railing to balance themselves while approaching the coping and while dropping in. First, place your foot on the transition in front of the skater. Take their hands, have them place their skates on channel 2, and ask them to straighten their arms. Having straight arms allows a more solid response when bracing their weight while lowering the skater down the transition. With straight arms, have them lean against you. Have them slowly lean out over the coping. Then, to bring them down off the coping, gradually lower your brace against them, down, into, and through the transition. This method allows you to fully control their speed while dropping in. Repeat this while having the skater lean against you less and less each time. Obviously, during the whole process, be sure they keep their knees bent. Once the skater is comfortable enough to do so, only use one hand to brace them. Next, have them try to put no pressure against you while dropping in. Then, when the skater feels ready, have them release your hand by choice, maybe while they're in the middle of dropping in. And this is probably a safe time for them to drop in with no contact from you. Since we know the most common problem with dropping in is falling back, it'd be good to spot the skater from behind now. Now you have all the tools you need to teach how to drop in like the pros.